Have you ever noticed a bad smell coming from your washing machine? Or wondered why freshly washed clothes sometimes don't smell as fresh as they should? The reason could be hidden dirt, detergent residue, bacteria, and limescale building up inside the machine. Today I'm going to unbox and test the new Dettol 5-in-1 washing machine cleaner and Descaling liquid to see whether it actually works. This is the Dettol 5-in-1 washing machine cleaner. It is designed for both front-load and top-load washing machines. According to Dettol, this cleaner helps remove hidden dirt, remove detergent residue, remove limescale, eliminate bad odors and kill 99.9% of bacteria. One bottle contains 250 milliliters, which is meant for a single cleaning cycle. Regular cleaning helps maintain machine hygiene and performance. Let's open the package. Inside we get the 250 milliliter cleaner bottle. The bottle feels sturdy and has a child-safe cap. The liquid has a pleasant lemon fragrance. Everything looks simple and easy to use. Now let's clean the machine. Make sure the washing machine is completely empty. Do not keep any clothes inside. Pour the remaining liquid into the drum or to the detergent drawer. Run an empty wash cycle at around 60 degrees Celsius or follow your washing machine manufacturer's recommended cleaning program if available. Now we'll let the machine complete the cleaning cycle. If you regularly use your washing machine, I think it's a simple maintenance product that's worth considering. It helps keep the machine clean, fresh and hygienic when used as directed. Dettol recommends using it regularly about every 2 months to maintain cleanliness. The cleaning cycle has finished. The first thing I noticed is the fresh lemon fragrance. The drum looks much cleaner. Most importantly, the unpleasant odor has reduced significantly. Since hidden areas inside the washing machine can't be seen directly, products like this are mainly intended to clean internal components, where dirt and bacteria accumulate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.